11th bio group. Myself Bibi Yadav. I am going to discuss about the representative of the five kingdom classification given by Whitaker. What are the representative? Means what do you mean by representative? Representative means how many phyla are includes in five kingdom of the classification, such as the Munra. Munra includes Archaebacteria. What do you mean by Archaebacteria? Archaebacteria means एंशियंट बैक्टीरिया, जो सबसे आद्य बैक्टीरिया थे, प्राथमिक बैक्टीरिया थे, दे आर नोन एज आर्कीबैक्टीरिया. And eubacteria means true bacteria, means there are certain eubacteria such like the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Salmonella typhi, and Clostridium tetani, etc., which are known as the eubacteria. And third is the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria means blue-green algae which are able to fixing the atmospheric nitrogen, such like the Pseudomonas, Rhizobium leguminosarum. These are the cyanobacteria. These are nitrogen fixing bacteria mostly found in the soil. And Protista. What do you mean by Protista? Protista include golden algae, dinoflagellates and diatoms. They are some are the myriads. And fungi. Fungi include yeast. There are two species of the yeast. One is the Saccharomyces. Yeast. One is the Saccharomyces, and second is the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And mold. What do you mean by mold? Mold means the rhizopus. Rhizopus that grow on the bread. It is also called as the bread mold. And black mold. Why black mold? Black mold means their spores when brushed, they as a black color appear in their spores. Therefore, they are known as black molds, means rhizopus. And mushroom. Mushroom, edible fungus known as the mushroom, such as the agaricus. ये एडिबल मशरूम है, खाया जाता है. एंड टूड स्टूल, all are includes in fungi. Puffball, bracket fungi, and rust and mildew, etc., which are included in fungi. And fourth kingdom is plantae. Their representatives are includes algae, bryophytes. Bryophyte also called as the amphibian of the plant kingdom. Pteridophytes, these are snake. They are also called as snake of the plant kingdom. And gymnosperm means gymno means neck, sperma means seed. Neck seed such like the cycas, pinus, etc., which are also included in plantae. Angiosperm means those plant which are bearing seed, fruit and flower. They are known as angiosperm plants. And fifth kingdom of the Whitaker is Animalia. Their representative means includes sponges, means members of the Porifera, Cnidarians means Coelenterata such like the Hydra, and worms means nematodes, Ascaris, Boucheria, Bancrofti, and others. Worms are include. Arthropods means scorpion, prawn, etc., which are also members of the Animalia. Echinodermata, Asterias, and lower carded Planoglossus. All are the representative of the Animalia. Fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. All are the representative of the Animalia. फिर से we can revise. Representative means कौन कौन से फाइला, कौन कौन से फाइलम किस किंगडम में इंक्लूड हैं. मोनेरा में ये बैक्टीरिया आते हैं. तीन तरह के बैक्टीरिया हैं. मीन्स आर्कीबैक्टीरिया ये एंशिएंट बैक्टीरिया है. यू बैक्टीरिया ये ट्रू बैक्टीरिया है. एग्जाम्पल माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, काज टू टीबी. एंड साइनोबैक्टीरिया Blue green algae, they are also called as blue green algae, such as the Pseudomonas, Rhizobium leguminosarum, etc., which are able to fix in the atmospheric nitrogen. And second is the Protista. In Protista, there are includes golden algae, dinoflagellates, and diatoms. Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia, I have discussed about them. Thank you.